Well, good Thursday morning. This is Rich, and the market's a little firmer overnight. We saw some continuation of yesterday's trade. Now, this morning we are seeing the dollar trade higher, up about a half a point. The dollar was sharply lower yesterday, and certainly that did help some of the commodity markets bounce back. So we'll see if it has any impact on the trade today. We did get the weekly export sales numbers out this morning. The trade was optimistic we'd see some good numbers, and we did with cheaper prices. Corn sales last week, 1.29 billion metric tons, or million, I'm sorry, and that a big week, very big week in fact. Soybeans 742,000 metric tons, which included 354 to China, and wheat sales at 431,000 metric tons, also a decent week there. So overall the sales numbers very good. This is the time of the year where we generally do see good sales. Usually prices are a little cheaper, and we've got plenty of grain coming to market, so it's a good time to be selling some grain. Overnight here we did see December corn close up 4.5 cents at 6.10. Next December corn up 3/4 of a cent at 5.74. November soybeans up 11.5 at 11.75 1/4. Next November soybeans up 8 3/4 at 11.93 1/2. The December cotton up 0.2 this morning at 102.50. December Chicago wheat up 7 3/4 at 6.34. Kansas City December up 13 1/4 at 6.99, and the Minneapolis December up 12 1/4 at 8.88 3/4. I mentioned the dollar trading firmer this morning. Crude oil, however, is up 60 cents a barrel at 80.28. Gold down a couple dollars an ounce, and the stock market expected to open a little firmer here in just a few minutes. So overall, things look a little bit optimistic this morning. We'll see some follow-through buying from yesterday. Again, it's not how we start, it's how we close, but we'll see what kind of a day we get, and I will be back later on with a wrap-up. Thanks.